my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you a review of an eyeshadow palette, and this is from Makeup Revolution. So guys, this palette is the most awaited palette for me because I have been wanting this palette for very long time, and this was a little bit expensive for me, so I somehow didn't buy this. But finally I have this and I wanted to show the swatches and the review of this palette. So if you are interested to know how the palette works for me and all the other details, and if you want to see the beautiful swatches of the shades, so please keep on watching this video till the end. And without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, I have already shared a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette review in my channel, and if you haven't checked it out, go and check it out. That was in the I button. So for that palette I was not very satisfied with that palette because the swatches was not so satisfying. It was just okay type according to the price point. That palette was for 950 rupees, and I bought it on 950 because I didn't get any discount. So I was like very confused that whether should I buy this palette or not, because this palette looks very nice guys, and I have gone through many good reviews and positive review of this palette. But finally I thought that chalo le hi leti hu, and I really love this palette guys. I must say this is a palette from Makeup Revolution, and this is called the Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. So this is in the collaboration of Tami. As you can see, the packaging is really very nice guys. This is an awesome packaging, and at the back you will get all the ingredients list and other details. And this is a vegan product and this is cruelty free, so a big thumbs up for that. So the price of this palette is 1950 rupees. I mean, that was the MRP, but I got it on a great discount from Myntra. I got it on 1150 rupees, and that's a really good steal I think. And now also this palette is going on some discounts. They almost have discounts on Makeup Revolution's palette, and they have really very good discounts on Makeup Revolution palette. But I am a little bit disappointed because this has no expiry date written on it, because all the Makeup Revolution's product which I have, they have this kind of sticker attached at the back where you can get the expiry and the manufacture dates. So with this palette, as you can see, there is no sticker attached. So I am really confused because at the side there was no expiry date or manufacture date mentioned, or the shelf life, nothing was mentioned in the site Myntra. So not for this palette only, any product, any makeup product, they don't have the expiry date written. So that was really a very thumbs down for Myntra. So guys, on Nykaa or any other website, this palette don't have very good discount, but on Myntra it was almost 40% off. I got this on almost 40% off, and that's a very good point. But they don't have any expiry date mentioned, so I am really very disappointed about that. So now let's quickly see the inner product. So the inner packaging is like this. And just look at this guys, the packaging looks very luxurious and classy. I just love this packaging guys. I really love this packaging. So guys, this palette is made with a collaboration with Tami Clark. So she was a YouTuber, and I have watched her video about this palette, and she has completely explained about the color placement of the palette, because normally when we look at a palette, whether it is a neutral or a color palette, we don't understand what about the color placing. So with this palette, the color placing has a really very good meaning, and I really love the concept of Tami about placing the colors like this. So at the top row you are getting all the shimmer colors, and at the second row you are getting a yellow and a orange and red and pink and a mauve color, and then you are getting a light purple color, and you are getting a blue color, then a deep blue color, then a deep green color, then a light green color, and a black color. So these colors actually blend into each other, so it has placed like this. I mean, the yellow blends into orange very nicely, then the orange blends into red, the red blends into pink, the pink blends into mauve, the mauve blends into purple, and so on. So the color placement of the palette is based on that concept, so I really like that. So guys, if you blend this yellow into blue or this orange into deep blue, or if you go opposite of the color cycle, the eye look which you will create will look muddy. So you have to be very conceptual about which color is going to be blend in which color. So that's why this palette is really very helpful and a very good guide for the beginners. So if you are a beginner or even if you are a pro, then you can obviously have this palette, because this is the one palette which you need if you like colorful eye looks. So you will not get any neutral color in this, but if you want a colorful palette, and if you really want one palette to buy for your colorful looks, then just grab this one, because this has every color, guys. Can you see? This has every color which you want to create any colorful eye look, and it also has this beautiful shimmers, so you can create multiple looks with this palette. So you just need this one palette and one neutral palette and you are sorted. You don't need any other eyeshadow palette. Just have a look at the swatches now. So I will swatch the shimmer shades first, and these are really very buttery soft and really very buttery soft, guys, and not chalky, not at all chalky. And just see the pigmentation. Just see the pigmentation of these shades, guys. I am just in love with these shades. The shimmer shades are like bomb. Can you guys see? And just see the top neon green color. It's actually a duochromatic kind of color. It's in between a yellow and green color. I really love this shimmers. Then this blue, green, and this beautiful purple color. Just see, guys. This green. Oh my god, these blue shades. Just loving these shades, guys. And now let's see the matte shades. So normally in matte shades, the yellow and the green and the mauve colors are really very hard to make. I mean, in most of the palettes you will get the rest of the colors pigmented, but with these colors, this blue, green, and this dark green, and this green, and this yellow colors will not be pigmented in the other palettes. So these colors are really very blendable, and just see the pigmentation, guys. These colors are really very blendable, guys. And this mauve shade I am swatching, and this purple shade. Oh my god, I really love these two shades. Let's see. And guys, trust me, when you apply it on your eyes, this gives a better result than the swatches, because swatches are not the ultimate ones. So sometimes it happens that when you are swatching a palette, it looks quite okay, but when you apply it on your eyes with a brush, it gives a better result. And even it also happens that when you are swatching a palette, it looks very nice, but when you apply it on your eyes, it doesn't show much. So it really depends. So I am left with the last row. This green one. Guys, can you see the pigmentation? I really love it. Please just see this pigmentation. I am really impressed with the pigmentation and the color payoff on the eyes, and the last is a black shade. Here it is. Just love all the pigmentation of the all shades. So guys, I will highly recommend this palette to you, because always check out for some discounts, and if you get it on a good discount like I got, so it completely worth buying. But if you buy this on 2000 rupees, I mean on 1950 rupees, I think that it's a little bit overpriced. But the price which I got it, if it around 1200 or 1300 rupees, so I think it's worth the money. So I am really impressed with the color payoff, because normally with these colors you don't get much pigmentation, at least for my experience which I have till now. So I am really very impressed, and I am really grateful to me that I buy this finally, and I am so happy with my purchase. And guys, this palette don't have any sort of fallout, trust me, because I have done my face makeup and then I have done my eye makeup. And if you are a person who prefers doing face makeup first and then eye makeup, then this palette would be a great option for you. And I will attach all the links of this palette from many websites which I can found for you in the description box below. So if you want to buy this palette, you can check the link in the description box. And that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found this video useful, don't forget to hit this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends, and also comment down below and share your thoughts about my videos. That will really make my day. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links will be in the description box below. Please go and have a look. And until next time, stay happy, stay tuned, and stay safe. Bye bye, guys.